Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install One UI 8 3D metal icons on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first download Icon Pack Studio from Play Store. Guys, this app download link also available on description. After download, simply tap and open and search metal scenes. And after search, look at these 3D One UI 8 metal icons. Guys, simply tap and download. After tap and download, simply tap on icon, simply tap and apply, tap on OK. After tap on OK, look at this. Now simply tap and install. Tap install without scanning. Tap on done. Simply go back, close this app. Now go to Galaxy Store and download Good Lock. Guys, download this Good Lock on your Galaxy device. After download, simply tap and open. Update your Theme Park plugin. Look at this. Open Theme Park and go to icon, tap on create new, tap on icon pack and select this metal icon. Now guys, before save, simply go to effect, go to emboss option and increase edge, angle, shadow, full increase and remember straight set 60% like this for more realistic 3D effect. Now simply tap on save button, rename and save and apply these 3D metal One UI 8 icons on your Galaxy device. Look at this guys. 3D metal icons on your Galaxy device. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.